Let's get some more on this. Joining us now, DrLeanaWen, CNN medical analyst, the former Baltimore Health Commissioner. Dr. Wen, thanks for joining us. What do you make of this announcement from the Justice Department just out that the Justice Department will appeal this ruling, but only if the CDC says the mask mandate is still needed to protect public health here in the United States? What's your reaction?
Well, my reaction is that the Biden administration has to do everything they can to preserve public health authority in the future. Right now, I think it's a bit up in the air as to whether the mask mandate really is needed to control the BA.2 variant. But there may very well be a variant in the future that causes more deadly disease or that may evade the protection from our vaccines. We want the CDC to be able to respond at that point. And so everything the federal government can do to preserve public health authority for future crises is important.
All this has left a lot of folks out there confused, as you know, Dr. Wen, with more questions than answers. One question on people's mind is this: how much does a mask protect you if most of the other passengers on your flight or your subway car or bus or train or whatever aren't wearing masks?
The key here, Wolf, is to wear a high-quality mask, and by that I mean a well-fitting N95, KN95, or KF94 mask. A simple cloth mask is just not going to do. A lot of people wearing cloth masks is actually less protective than you wearing a KN95 or N95 mask. Make sure it's well-fitting and that you're used to it. And so if you're not used to it, practice wearing it at home, maybe practice going to the grocery store with it. Make sure you can wear it for the duration of time that you're going to be in transit. If you have a beard or other facial hair, shave, because that will also help the fit better. Basically, at this point, we need to leave it to individuals to protect themselves. If that mandate isn't there, people can still do their part. Something else that you can be aware of, too, is that during boarding and deplaning are the times when the ventilation system may be off. And so make sure your mask is on during those critical times.
Good advice from DrLeanaWen. Thank you very, very much.